2004 to 2010 Toyota Sienna outside door handle. How to locate the correct color code. A VIN number sticker is located on the left side of the front driver door. An example of a color code would be C/TR. Tools required for the front door handle replacement: a 1/4 inch hand ratchet, a T27 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. Remove a 2-inch black rubber cap by the door jamb above the door latch. Remove the door lock cylinder using a T27 screwdriver. To remove the mounting bolt and pull outwards, unclip the outer cap on the door lock. Remove handle by pushing it backwards and sliding it outwards at the same time. Install new handle by pushing it about 45-degree angle forward and sliding it downwards. Install the new cap to the lock cylinder. Slide it into the door and use a T27 to tighten it about 12 pounds of torque. Reinstall the rubber cap.